Hey guys, before we start, please make sure to stay until the end. We're going to talk about common mistakes people make that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find where the instrument cluster panel, guys, also known as gauges, fuses and relays, are located on GMC Terrain, that generation here that you see from year 2010 to year 2017. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can find them, we'll talk about that. Please do not waste your money on parts, tools, diagnostics until you watch that video, guys, because it could be quite simple fix. And by the way, guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, guys, we will share that information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. So let's start on it now. Before we guys start, let us tell you quick a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos showing you how to fix engines, transmissions, engine codes, fuses, relays. And by the way, guys, on that generation GMC Terrain, we're going to have more than 150 videos alone for fuses, relays, why things don't work, how to fix them. Check it out, why we make those things to save you money, guys. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find a fuse for a fuel pump. You just come to the channel, watch the video for a minute or two, replace it, you're back on the road. And on our YouTube channels, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos, guys, that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's start on it now. So the instrument cluster, also known as instrument panel or gauges, guys, come to show you where you can expect to find these fuses and relays. Today we'll be working, we need to check, by the way, 6 different fuses, relays, and we'll be working to different fuse boxes. Quick advice, guys, 9 out of 10 owners do not know there will be hidden fuse boxes in that GMC Terrain. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called GMC Terrain fuse box location and diagram video that can save you a lot of money, guys. What we need to do now here, we specifically need to go ahead and open the passenger front door, and in the footwell compartment on the passenger side, this is the center console. Right in front of the arrow here you have a cover, pull it on the bottom, and when you do that you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we guys continue, let's quickly explain why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse, sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. And guys, what we have here specifically now, let's talk about that. Okay, here for the instrument cluster panel, gauges, fuses, relays, we need to check 2 components here in that fuse box. And the first one that we're talking about is fuse number 18, right here, very important fuse. Then you need to check fuse number 37, that's 39, 38, 37, right here, guys, that fuse right here. Next, you need to go ahead and open the hood. Under the hood, facing the engine on the right side, this is the driver's side. See, that's the brake fluid reservoir. Here next to it you have a fuse box, you have a clip here, clip there, squeeze them together, lift the cover up, and you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Now specifically here we need to, guys, check more components. And we're talking, guys, okay, here things turn a little bit chaotic now, but one of them will be fuse number 7 right here. You need to check that one. You need to check fuse number 11 right there, okay, because those are for many things, not just instrument panel, but one of the functions supports instrument panel as well. Fuse number 14, so that's 12, 13, 14 right here, fuse number 14, and then you need to locate fuse number 50, which is that fuse right here. You don't have any relays, you just have these fuses that are known as relay fuses that you will, guys, need to check on your GMC Terrain. So guys, this generation GMC Terrain, it has all kinds of different fuses, different kinds of fuses and relays, especially if you go in the engine compartment fuse box, you can see. Now, those could be sometimes hard to find. We'll recommend to always keep some spares in the glove box for peace of mind, because if you're in the middle of nowhere, guys, okay, and you need to find a replacement fuse for the fuel pump. You don't have one, you may be stuck there, so get some. We'll share the information in the description of the video below where you can get them from. Check it out, and that's where we get most of our tools and supplies from. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching. See you next time.